Good afternoon. My name is Anton Kissa. I am the supervisor on job NDT Survey A. Date today is the 2nd of the 4th, 2010. ROV class 141. Location is the Underwater Center Pier End, Loch Linney in Fort William. The pilot today will be Leon Kissa. Doing the graphics for us will be Stephen, and doing co-pilot will be Alex. Okay, we are currently on a bearing. Sorry, if we can just take it off the screen there, Alex. Right, we're currently on a bearing of 147 at a depth of 3 meters, facing the NDT structure. Just going to ask the pilot to move back to get an overview of the NDT structure. Move back about 3 meters if you can. And just lateral right and tilt the camera up for us so we can see the whole structure. Tilt the camera up more. Right, if you can just do a general lateral right movement for about 7 meters. Just going slowly. I'd like to name the parts. At the moment we are looking at L1, which is the vertical member, coming up to the VDM, which we are going to name D1, and the bottom horizontal member, which we will name H3. Tilt the camera up, please. Stop in that position. More up. Right, the top horizontal member we shall name H1. Okay, if you can just tilt the camera 90 degrees down. No. Keep the depth at 3 meters. Right. Lateral to the right again, please. Okay, coming up to the middle vertical leg. We will name this L2. Okay, I'm going to ask the pilot to return to L1 so we can start the survey on L1 at the bottom, please. Bearing of 160. Okay, that's fine. Leon, if you can just move to the bottom for us. I'd like to go below the structure that appears to be the support for L1. Okay, at the moment we can see not a hell of a lot of marine growth, probably about 15% coverage, size between 10 and 15 millimeters. Okay, just move to the left. As we can see, there is quite Um, quite a bit of scouring happening here underneath the structure. I would say a depth of approximately 500 to 600 deep. We will call the structure feature 1 for the records. Moving laterally left. Okay, just tilt the camera down. We appear to have a slight possible snag. Maybe just hitting the bottom. Okay. Alright, move vertically down for us again, please. Okay, here we can see what appears to be a cable half buried on the north facing side of feature 1. Cable diameter approximately 15 to 20 millimeters. We will call this feature 2. Okay, if we can ask the pilot to stay at the bottom, moving vertically right, back to the scouring that we had there. We can see a feature 3, what appears to be a sandbag, so this structure has probably been packed before with not much success by the looks of things. Possible hazard. Okay, Leon, if you can just move, keep that depth, just go slightly forward and tilt the camera up. Tilt the camera up to about 20 degrees, 15 degrees. Slightly forward and to the left. Move in a bit close on that for me, please. Camera tilt up more. We have here an apparent crack in feature 1. We will call this feature 2. Scratch that, feature 4. Crack length covers approximately, let's just see, just move around to the left hand side for us. Pilot appears to be snagged, just gonna see what's happening. Tilt your camera down first. Okay. Crack seems to be approximately 800 to a meter long, with a depth of roughly, if you can get a bit close in on that first, Leon. Just get it in a bit closer for us. From what we can see, it's approximately maybe 20 to 30 centimeters deep and width